Hello, beautiful people. We're doing such a simple dish tonight. I mean, I hope it works out. We never know. What we're doing tonight is a one dish, oh my goodness, easy pasta. So what I have here is a wok donated generously by my in-laws. We are going to, chorizo sausage. If you don't like it that spicy, you can use breakfast sausage. It doesn't really matter. Anything you want to cook in here is actually fine. We're going to toss in a little garlic and onion here, just for fun, to give it, you gotta give it a little flavor. Oh, see? Yeah, okay. And now what I have here is I'm tossing in a little red and yellow pepper because I had them. I had some leftover black olive, which I love, and some basil, little basil, and a little thyme in here. And that's just because that's what I had. And always use what you have on hand. This just happens to be what I had in my refrigerator, so I'm using it. Now we go up. That cook a little bit. I am going to pour in. I'm going to pour in about 4 cups of a chicken or a vegetable or a broth of any kind that you like. And I'm going to add just a little bit of water, like 2 cups of water. Not even sure that it's needed. And we're going to bring this back up to a little boil. Very nice and sexy. And then we're going to add the noodles. So we have our broth and all of our sausage and yummy fixtures cooking. We're going to toss in our noodles. I'm tossing in about 12 to 14 ounces of fettuccine noodles. It depends on how many you're cooking for. But we're going to toss in the noodles, and the magic is they're just going to cook with all of the succulent flavors and things that are going on here. I am so excited. I cannot wait to eat this. But look at this. Oh my goodness. We have the most gorgeous, oh my goodness, we have the most beautiful pasta here. I cannot wait. We have our chorizo pasta with peppers and olives, and oh my goodness, anything else that you have in your refrigerator that tweaks your fancy, just toss it in there. Noodles, and it cooks in one pot, and in 30 minutes you got dinner. You got dinner in 30 minutes. Like, literally. I love you all. Have a beautiful night. Bye. I know, right?